Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To rearrange the order of columns from left to right within any transaction detail report in QuickBooks, display the transaction detail report whose columns you want to rearrange on screen. For the column to move, place your mouse pointer over the column's name in the column headings at the top of the report until the mouse pointer changes into a hand icon. Then click and drag the column left or right. As you are dragging the column, a small upward pointing red arrow appears between the column names. This arrow indicates where the column will be placed once you release the mouse button. When it is in the desired location, release the mouse button to move the column to the selected location. You can resize columns in any type of QuickBooks report by placing your mouse pointer to the right of the name of the column you want to resize until the mouse pointer changes into a thin vertical line intersected by a horizontal arrow. At that point, click and drag left or right with your mouse pointer to resize the column. Release the mouse button when the column is the size that you desire.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.